just want to share a brief on the markets and what I'm observing right now. To begin with Euro USD, what I see in Euro USD is that we've been observing an ABC pattern, and then which I anticipate the wave C is an ending diagonal. So in that situation, what we can anticipate is that, uh, as you know, that the character of the ending diagonal, or rather, maybe even the leading diagonal, it has the same characteristic. We know that it is followed by a swift movement to the opposite direction on where the pattern is forming. So in this situation, anticipation is that it cannot be as fast as maybe anybody could anticipate, because we are humans and the market is the market. It reacts the way it want to react. So, but in the following days, I will be looking at the change in momentum on the per euro USD, trying to anticipate the drop in price. So, with that being said, let's move to maybe another interesting per euro CHF, because there's been an interesting development which I believe, if we can be smart about it, we can capitalize. As you can see, guys, I have my A, B, and then I'm anticipating a wave C flat to follow from here. So, with that being said, we see the development of wave 1, 2, a very clear uh, corrective move here, and then we see again wave 1 swift and then 2 internal. So, again, we see a very clear correction type of a movement here, which I labeled ABC. And then if we try to measure using our field retracement, we can see that 61.8 is a very interesting level, 78.6 very much interesting too. So as time goes by, it's going to tell us, the truth about this market. So it's my anticipation, guys, that we are to observe a wave 3 that is going to take, quite a lot of pips and a lot of time if this anticipation tends to be true. So another interesting pair involving the Swiss franc is the pound. The pound versus the Swiss franc is very interesting, guys. Similarly to what we saw on the euro against the Swiss franc. So, quite interestingly, so is that we also see the very same pattern forming here, what we saw on the other pair. In A, B, anticipate the move of C. Interestingly, so we see a clear structure of A, B, C, which is a flat, and then we know that after a correction move and then an impulsive move, it is to follow. So that's, we see a wave 1, wave 2, sub wave 1, 2, and then a clear correction, which it's quite clear, it doesn't even need to measure. Like it's going like it's looking for support around the 78.6 levels. So with that being said, in the next coming days or weeks, I will be looking for clear confirmation that will say is price, it is indeed, you know trying to take the opposite direction after it has been retracing since, the beginning of September. So that's very quite interesting to look upon, guys. And then finally, an update on gold. Yes, guys, you gotta do gold because it has been interesting, in the past couple of days. So something that I want us guys to look at, you know, I want us to look at gold, guys. So on gold, As you know, we've been rallying with price. Right now we are at the 300%. So we're trying to see if this level is going to hold, or we're going to see the beginning of the retracement, targeting the way forward before we can join and say we are to see the final wave movement of wave 5. So yes, guys, nothing much on gold, just to be patient and wait for retracements so that we can join, the dominant trend, which is the uptrend. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. Tune up, again later for some updates. And you guys, you my followers, tell me what do you want us to look at, and we're gonna dive into everything together. So thank you, guys. Have a good trading week, and may the Lord bless you.